Ahlan everyone! Beautiful evenings with some hot coffee and crispy snack is what one crave for. So today's recipe is something crispy and scrumptious. It can be had as an evening snack or a tea time snack or as a starter. The recipe is chicken popcorn. All you need is 300 grams of chicken, 1 egg optional, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, half teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon vinegar, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder and 1/4 cup of milk which is not in the picture. Start with cutting the chicken into small cube size pieces. Say it like approximately 1 inch size piece. It shouldn't be too big. As these pieces will be coated with flour, it will be eventually the bigger in size. So make smaller size chicken cubes. This chicken popcorn recipe is so easy and so quick to make, you love making it again and again. And definitely it will be the most demanding recipe. As you can see, these cubes are done. Take it in a bowl. Now it's time for the marination. Add salt, add garlic powder to it, add all the dry ingredients I have shown it in the picture above. Here goes the black pepper powder, soy sauce. Next is vinegar. It adds the juiciness to the chicken. Red chili sauce. Next goes 1/4 cup of milk into the chicken. It gives the tenderness and perfect texture to the chicken. What is left is the red chili powder. Give it a good mix and add some red chili powder to the chicken. Now, after mixing it well, let it sit for marination for say about 2 hours in the refrigerator. By the time it's marinating, we'll make the flour mix. For that you need 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Add half cup of corn flour to it. To this, we are going to add some garlic powder. Half teaspoon of garlic powder here. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Some salt, like 1 teaspoon of salt. And black pepper powder half teaspoon. Mix all these dry ingredients well and keep it aside. As our chicken is kept into the fridge for marination and the flour is ready with all the ingredients, we'll be making quick sauce as a dip with the popcorn. For that you need 5 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoon ketchup and 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's a quick dip and it is so delicious and it goes very well with the chicken popcorn. Mix it well and keep it aside. This dip is ready and we'll be moving to the chicken now. Remove it from the fridge. At this point you can crack 1 egg and mix into the chicken. It's optional. Chicken has been marinating for 2 hours. It's well marinated and all the ingredients are perfectly combined into the chicken. So it's time for the marination, that is for the first coating of the chicken with the flour. Add the pieces into the flour. Add few pieces at a time as this step has to be done really quick. Use your hands here and coat well. After coating them well, add them into the ice cold water with ice cubes for just 2 seconds. Then again remove the chicken pieces from the ice cold water and add it again back into the flour mix. Now coat them well again as a second coating to the chicken and remove it into a plate. These chicken cubes are well coated twice and they are ready to be fried. You need a pan here with some oil into it for frying the chicken popcorn. Add some oil, Heat the oil and add the chicken pieces. You need to fry this on medium heat till they become golden brown in color. As you can see, these chicken popcorn are changing the color into a golden brown color. So here you need to take it off from the flame. You can see the color of the popcorn. It's a beautiful golden brown. Do not overcook or over fry it, otherwise it will turn into darker shade. They look so scrumptious, so tempting and delicious. It can be served hot and kids will love it. Similarly, fry all the chicken popcorns. Chicken popcorns are ready, the dip is ready, it's time for plating and serving. Wow, they look so beautiful and delicious. Can't wait to have one. It's a beautiful, delicious recipe. Do try it and comment below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you get notified and you get the recipes on time. And do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Guys, try this recipe and enjoy this scrumptious, delicious popcorn. Life is so beautiful. Enjoy with lovely people around with amazing recipes. It's time for the taste test now. Well, now it's time for the taste test. Piece of popcorn with some dip on it. There you go. It's delicious. So soft and juicy, tender from inside and crispy outside. It's unbelievably tasty. Try this, hit like. Next time inshallah I'll come with another recipe. Till then, take care. Masalam.